What if you're able to capture 100% of the leads that came in through the door for your business? What if you didn't have to pay a receptionist upwards of $5,000 per month just to notify you of new leads, new jobs, or new quotes? What if you could respond to every single lead within 10 seconds of them requesting a quote for your business, right? The solution is actually simpler than you guys may think. All you have to do is set up what I like to call an AI speed to lead agent or a speed to lead AI agent. And what this agent is going to do for you is every time a lead requests a form, whether it be on Facebook or on Instagram, you're going to get a call notifying you of all the informations of that lead, and then it's going to bridge the call and connect you to the lead. That way you can give them a quote, book them in for the job, and close them. It, right? It sounds very simple, and it actually is. But I'm going to show you guys a quick demo of how it actually works, how I get the call and everything, the message get plays out. So for this example, I'll be the lead, and let's pretend that I'm requesting holiday lighting service. No, let's pretend I'm requesting permanent lighting services. And I'm also going to be the business owner that picks up the call. So I'll pretend that I'm both. So I'm going to put my name here. Let's say that I'm Jack, put a random phone number, city, let's put London. We're going to put permanent lighting for the service requested. Check these two boxes. We're going to hit submit. Now I'm going to show you guys my phone so you guys see when I get the call. Look, boom, there we go. You guys see it. That's the AI calling me, and he's about to notify me of the lead. So I'm going to play, I'm going to pick up and I'll play. I'll let you guys hear the message that it plays. Jack located in London requested permanent lighting. Press any key to connect the call. So you guys heard that. You guys heard that message that it played. It said Jack located in blah 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 blah. Right now, what you have to do now is press a key on the phone, and it's going to connect you to the call with that lead. So it's going to bridge the call. That way, you can have a conversation with the person who just requested that quote. All you need to do. Imagine if you have a system set up like that 24/7, you'll never miss a lead again because you don't even have to go and check your phone to see which leads just came in. You get the call automatically. You just have to pick up the phone and talk to them. What more can you ask for realistically? Now, even better yet, I'm going to show you how you can build this for yourself. So we're inside of our custom CRM here. I'm going to go to the automations tab and we're going to build this from scratch together. And we're going to name this first feed to lead AI agent, right? So the trigger for this agent is going to be as soon as a lead submits a Facebook form, or the lead may submit also a form that's on your website. So we're going to add two triggers actually. First one, Facebook lead form submitted. That's number one. From any Facebook page that you have, any form that you have on your Facebook page, save the filter. And then we're also going to add a regular form. So this is if you have a form set up on your website. A form submitted, save the trigger. That's it for the trigger. Now, when the lead submits the form, they need to be assigned to a team member who's actually going to talk with them on the phone. It could be a sales rep, the receptionist, or it could be you, the business owner, if you're running it solo. But that's what we're going to do here as the next step. We're going to assign this to a user. In that example, I was a business owner, so I'll be the user. So select my name, Enzo, and we're going to hit save action. Now, the last step of this automation, right, is going to be the actual AI calling you. So you're going to create a call action where AI is going to call you to notify you about the new lead that just came in and then connect you on a call with that lead. So we're going to add a call action here. There you go, call. Now the call whisper message, it's the message that's going to play out on the phone, the message that you guys just heard earlier on the previous call. So it said Jack, so the contact's first name, requested Sarah's name, permanent lighting, located in, English to located in, and full address, London. Good. Okay, we use three tags here. So this works for any customer, for any service they select, and for any address that they inputted onto the form. It's save action, and that's it. That's the whole workflow. That's all you need to set up your speed to lead AI agent. That way you never miss any leads again. So we're gonna hit save and we're gonna run another demo for lead number two. So to show you guys that this does truly work for every single lead, let's do it again. Lead number two. This time I'm going to be John, second lead of the day, right? Put in the random phone number again for this lead. City, this time I'm going to put Quebec. And let's say I want holiday lighting for the season. So I don't want them for all year round, just for the Christmas season. I'm going to select holiday lighting, make these two boxes once again, and hit submit. Okay, guys, check my phone again. Oh, wait. Check my phone again. There it is. I'm getting the call. All I have to do is pick it up.
John located in Quebec requested holiday lighting. Press any key to connect the call.
Oh, you guys heard the message that I played again. As you guys can see, it works for every single lead. It calls you in less than 10 seconds. You just have to pick up the phone and talk to the lead to close them for thousands of dollars, right? You don't have to have poor response time when it comes to your speed to lead now, right? Because a lot of you guys take too much time. You guys take hours to get back to your leads. And that's why they end up going with the next company, which is your competitor. This solves that issue. Now, if you're a business owner watching this video, you're probably one of two people. You probably think, oh, I don't need this for my business. I'm gonna keep doing things the old-fashioned way, manually, and it's not gonna change my business that much. It's not gonna that many more jobs. And I'm here to tell you that you're wrong. It is going to transform your business. And let me show you some numbers to prove what I'm telling you, right? So if you look at this business, for example, they had this speed to lead AI agent implemented in their business this year. Okay? So the time frame here is all year round. And look at their call volume. They have 665 total calls. And out of all those calls, they only have 42 missed calls. Now, to put this into perspective, that means that for every 100 calls they got throughout the year, they picked up 94 of them. So it means that their missed call rate is 6%. That's insane. That's insane. And you guys as business owners know that every missed call is a missed quote, which is a missed potential job, which is missed revenue, which is missed MRR. So you guys see the call volume here. You guys see the importance of having a system like this set up for you. Now, I'm going to be very honest with you. This system is a very small piece of the puzzle of a whole AI growth infrastructure that business is actually operating on. Because they also have an AI receptionist set up for them that picks up any inbound calls when the business owner is unavailable. So if he's getting a job done, or if he has his crew out to get an installation done, or if he's sleeping, or if he's unavailable just simply, AI reception is going to pick up all the inbound calls, is going to quote the customers like an actual human would, or answer any technical questions that they may have about the job, any pricing questions. They'll book them into their calendar. And also, more importantly, it's going to reschedule clients as well. So clients that already had jobs booked in with the business, if they want to reschedule at a later date, it can do that as well, right? And that's a real game changer, having an AI receptionist set up for you, right? Because the speed to lead AI call that I just showed you, for this, you still have to be on the phone, quoting clients and closing these clients. But the AI receptionist does all that for you. The only thing you have to do is actually get the jobs done, manage your crew, and making sure that your business is profitable and you guys are generating revenue. That's it. Now, I know some of you guys may not be technical, or you may be technical, but you're probably thinking, I don't have the time to set this up for my business. That's why I'm actually offering a free consultation call for you. I'm going to leave a link in the bio. So this call is if you know that AI will take your business further, make you some more money, but you just don't know where exactly you should plug it into your business. What we're going to do is we're going to take a deep dive into your operations, into your client acquisition, and we will tell you where AI will solve most of your bottlenecks, right? So we're going to take a good look and we'll advise you on the best ways you can implement AI to catch more leads, retain more of them, and convert more of those into actual high-paying jobs. So if that sounds like you, I'll leave the link in the bio, and I'll see you on that call.